A very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Now let us start our social science class and let us start a new chapter, chapter 6, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Maybe when you are hearing the Greenland, maybe you may think that the Greenland it is covered with the green color or the grass and all. But we can see when we will study about the Greenland, we can see that the Greenland it is a land of ice and snow. In this picture, you can see the Greenland is covered with the ice and snow. So this is the Greenland. The Greenland is a land of ice and snow. And you know that the area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole it is coming in the frigid zone. When we have studied, in the previous classes we studied about the climatic zone, the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone, and we have seen the frigid zone, it is the Arctic Circle, the North Pole and the South Pole, and the North Pole it is in the Arctic Circle and the South Pole it is in the Antarctic Circle. And we have seen the frigid zone it is in the Arctic Circle, the North Pole, and the Greenland is lying in the North Pole, the Arctic Circle. And again we can see this is the region, it is called the Tundra region. And let us study about the location and the climate, about the vegetation and how the people they were living there. This all we can discuss in these classes about the Greenland. And we can see it is not, the Greenland is not a continent or anything, but the Greenland is a island. The Greenland it is a island, and we can see the Greenland is lying where in the northern polar region. The Greenland it is lying in the northern polar region, and we can see the Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. The Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. So we have seen here the Greenland it is a land of ice and snow, and it is in the northern polar region, and the Greenland it is a island, and the Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. And next we can see the location of the Greenland. When we are saying about the Greenland it is lying between the North Pole and the Arctic Circle to the northeast of Canada. The Greenland where it is lying, the North Pole, the Arctic Circle, the northeast of the Canada. And when it is separated, the Greenland it is separated from the northern island of Canada by the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. It is separated by the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. And this is the location we can see. And again when we are looking about the neighboring countries, we can see the neighboring countries of the Greenland.
The Greenland shares its borders with the Atlantic Ocean in the southeast. You can see here the southeast it is sharing the Atlantic Ocean. The southeast we can see it is the Atlantic Ocean. And when we are looking the east, the Greenland east, the Greenland Sea it is in the east. In the east it is the Greenland Sea, and the north it is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean in the north, and the southeast it is the Atlantic Ocean, and the east it is the Greenland Sea, and the north it is the Arctic Ocean. And again we can see the Baffin Bay. The Baffin Bay it is in the west, and the Iceland and the Canada, these are the two countries near to the Greenland. So this is the Greenland. This is the Greenland, and we have seen the neighboring countries of the Greenland.
And next let us discuss about the climate of the Greenland. Already we know in frigid zone the climate it will be extremely cold. The same way the Greenland it is located in the frigid zone. So the Greenland also it is experiencing the extremely cold climate. In summer there is the cool, and in winter there will be the cold climate. And again we can see the 80% of the Greenland is covered with the ice and all. And in summertime there is the continuous sunlight for the weeks in the summertime, and it is therefore it is known as the land of midnight sun. Why it is calling the land of midnight sun? Because in summer there is continuously it is having the sunlight in many weeks, and also it is known as the land of midnight sun. And again we can see the winter sun it will be very extremely cold climate, and there is no sunlight during the days and all. Many months and all the sun it does not rise in the winter season, so there won't be any sunlight in many days. And the snow, it is continuously storm, cold and wind, it is blowing all the time. And again we can see the average temperature of the Greenland. The average temperature of the Greenland is between minus 23 degrees Celsius in the winter and 5 degrees Celsius in the summer. So the average temperature we can see there in the Greenland, minus 23 degrees Celsius in the winter and 5 degrees Celsius in the summer. And again we can find out the iceberg there. What is the iceberg? The icebergs are large blocks of melted ice. The large blocks of melted ice, it is called the iceberg. And when in the summer season and all, when the ice it is melting, it is meaning the large blocks of melted ice it is getting. So it is called the iceberg, and it is very dangerous in the oceans and all. When the ship it is passing, it is very dangerous. The icebergs are very dangerous that time. So we have seen the climate of a Greenland. In climate of the Greenland, we have studied about the climate. It will be extremely cold climate in the Greenland, and again we have seen the 80% of Greenland it is covered with the ice. And again we have seen the iceberg. The iceberg it is a large block of melted ice. It is called the iceberg. And again we have seen the average temperature of the Greenland is between the minus 23 degrees Celsius in the winter and 5 degrees Celsius in the summer. This is the climate of the Greenland. And again we can see the next we can discuss about the vegetation. The vegetation. Already we know that it is extremely cold climate, and the vegetation it will be very few plants we can find out in the Greenland. Only few plants we can find out in the Greenland. And we can see the grass, shrubs and the wild plants it is growing in the coastal areas. Near to the coastal areas we can see the grasses and the shrubs and the wild plants and all it is we can find out in the coastal areas. And the currants, blueberries and the cranberries, this also we can find out in the Greenland. And again we can see the lynches and the mosses, it is we can find out near to the rocks and all. And this the lynches and the mosses it is giving the food for the animals, or it is providing the food for the animals. And also you can see the bridge trees, the willows, ferns and some herbs grow in the South Greenland. The southern part of the Greenland it is growing some the bridge trees, the willows and the ferns, and it is the some herbs it is growing in the southern part. And these are the vegetation we can find out. And in this picture also you can find some plants it is found in the Greenland. And next we can see the wildlife of the Greenland. And already we know it is the cold climate, and many animals it is living there. It is having the fur in their body to protect themselves from the harsh winter and all. They are having the fur. The animals are having the fur in their body for what? It is protecting from the winter, from the cold and all. So some animals we can see here. It is found in the Iceland. It is including the reindeer, the polar bear and the caribou, mink, muskox and the Arctic fox, Arctic wolves and the seals. These are the some animals we can find in the Greenland. And the seabirds such as the petrels, gulls and the puffins are also it is found in the Greenland. And the Arctic tern, a small bird that it is flying in the Greenland in the summer, and it is migrates to the South Pole in the winter. And the sea, near to the sea and all the Greenland it is making the homes many species of like fish. It is having the seas and the like the trout, the salmon and the cod. These are the fish we can find out in the Greenland. And these are the wildlife. And you can see in the picture some animals and the birds we can find out. What are the birds and animals we can find out in the Greenland. So these are the things we have discussed in today's class about the Greenland. Already we told that the Greenland is covered with the ice and snow, and we have seen the where it is located. And again the capital of the Greenland it is a Nuuk. And we have seen the neighboring countries of the Greenland and the climate of the Greenland vegetation and the wildlife. And this is the today's class we discuss, and in next class we can discuss about the natural resources and the economy, the transport and the life of the people, how the people they were living there. This all we can discuss in next class.